a potent cold sore salve with 4 essential oils in 5 minutes. You can use any salve you have. Even lip balm would work. Simply remove the balm from the tube and melt the balm in a glass jar, either in the microwave or a toaster oven as I did. You can also use coconut oil as well as a base. So here I use a body butter I melt. I weigh out half an ounce and melt it in the toaster oven because it's easier for me. And here are the 4 essential oils I am going to use. First one is Palmarosa. Palmarosa is antiviral and moisturizing. And peppermint oil is cooling and anti-inflammatory. Lemongrass is also antiviral and an great antioxidant. Sandalwood is also antiviral and very, very skin healing. So as you can see, all these 4 essential oils are antiviral, and we all know that cold sore is caused by virus. This cold sore salve is highly effective, and I also have the recipe in the description. So for this recipe, I'm using 3 drops of sandalwood, 2 drops of lemongrass, 2 drops of peppermint, and lastly 3 drops of Palmarosa. Sure to mix in the essential oils really well. I also like to write down the date and recipe on the label so that I know what's in the jar. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the subscribe button. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.